ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Welcome back! I have a new and exciting mission for you. We will be using our skills to spell and write words with our focus sound.
What?
Remember, press pause when you see this symbol and hear this sound. Follow the directions and press play as soon as you're done. Don't waste any time. I want you to be able to earn all of your letters to the secret code to finally find out what the secret message is. Looks like it's time to get started.
Today, you will need your pencil and scissors, but you can put them aside for now.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 14, write the letter Y. Above the number 31, write the letter O.
I welcome you to the Focus Sound Review. I am the Master Magician. I will say the letter combinations, and I want you to say the sound before I make them disappear. Ready?
Shy E has a different job but doesn't make the vowels say their name. SH can make the sound sh. Powerful E can make the vowels say their name. A-E-I-O-U. O-W and O-U can make the sound ow. P-H can make the sound A-W and A-U can make the sound ah. C-H can make the sound ch. A-R can make the sound R.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 84, write the letter U. Above the number 53, write the letter W.
We are going to warm up for your mission by stretching and exercising. Listen for the focus sound
What?
and pay attention to how your mouth moves when you say that sound. Make sure you have enough space and give others their space too. I will say a word. We will stretch out the word as we stretch. Then say each sound in the word as we do each exercise movement. Remember, every time your mouth moves, you're getting ready to say a new sound. You know, every time you move your mouth, freeze and say the sound. Freeze and say the sound. Freeze with your exercise, of course. Today, we are going to stretch out the word as we lean forward a bit, and then we are going to say the sounds when we bring our knee up. And then say the word and nod. Ready? Y. Ready? Y. Y. Whirl. Ready? Whirl. Whirl. Whiff. Ready? Whiff. Whiff. Wham. Ready? Wham. Wham. Whack. Ready? Whack. Whack. Where. Ready? Where. Whistle. For this part of the mission, you will need your scissors. I want you to cut out the emoji friend in the top corner of your paper. Then, press play when you're finished. Press pause now. Welcome to our game show called Where's the Sound? You have to say the sounds in the word to figure out if our focus sound
What?
is hiding behind door number 1, door number 2, door number 3, or door number 4. Put your emoji friend that you just cut out on the paper where you think the sound will be. We will open the doors together to see if you are correct. Are you ready?
Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in Y. Okay, let's check. Say the sounds in Y. Ready? W, I. If you said door number 1, you are correct. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in which. Let's find out. Say the sounds in which. Ready? W, I, ch. If you said door number 1, you are right. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in white. Let's see if you're right. Say the sounds in white. Ready? W, I, t. If you said door number 1, you got it. Okay, where do you think the W is in wheel? Let's find out. Say the sounds in wheel. Ready? W, E, L. If you said door number 1, you got it. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in whales. Let's check it out. Say the sounds in whales. Ready? W, E, L, S. If you said door number 1, you're right. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in wine. Let's check it out. Say the sounds in wine. Ready? W, I, N. If you said door number 1, you found our emoji. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in wheat. Okay, let's say the sounds and find out. Ready? W, E, T. If you said door number 1, you really know your stuff. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound W is in when. Let's see if you're right. Say the sounds in when. Ready? W, E, N. If you said door number 1, you got it. Where do you think the W is in whiff? Let's check it out. Say the sounds in whiff. Ready? W, I, F. If you said door number 1, you are a winner.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 38, write the letter O.
let's work out to get stronger so we can do our best next game. Make sure you have a pencil close by because we will need it toward the end of our workout. Follow along, count with me, and let's have some fun out there. You ready? Tap from 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out. Smash from 11 to 20. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shake it out. Wiggle from 21 to 30. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Shake it out. You're going to rub from 31 to 40. Ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Shake it out. You're going to squeeze from 41 to 50. Ready? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Shake it out. You're going to talk from 51 to 60. Ready? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Shake it out. You're going to stretch from 61 to 70. Ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Shake it out. You're going to see the pencil. You're just going to lift up your fingers from 71 to 80. Ready? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. This time, you are going to pinch like you're getting ready to pinch that pencil. And on 90, you are going to pinch. Are you ready? So make sure you have that pencil nearby. You can stay on the ground and you can pinch it right by the point. Ready? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, you have that pencil pinched. Now you're gonna lay it down to rest. And from 91 to 100, we are going to pet our pet pencil. Ready? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And you are ready to write. I'm proud of the way that you performed in practice. Now it's time to see what you're really made of. It's game time. I am going to tell you a word. This time, you're actually going to write the letters in the word. You can use the boxes to sound it out if it helps. This is the moment that we put all of our skills together. We are going to say the sounds and then write the letters. Give 110%. Make me proud out there, team. Ready?
Point to the star. Remember, in all of these words, WH makes the sound W. Next to the star, write the word when. Press play when you're ready to check it. The sounds in when are W, E, N. You spell when W, H, E, N. Get ready for your next word. Point to the hexagon. Sound out and write the word whiz next to the hexagon. Press play when you're ready. The sounds in whiz are W, I, Z. You spell whiz W, H, I, Z. Point to the oval. Sound out and write the word whip next to the oval. Press play when you're ready. Okay, let's check your work. The sounds in whip are W, I, P. You spell whip W, H, I, P. Point to the circle. Sound out and write the word whim next to the circle. Press play when you're ready. Let's check it. Point to the circle. The sounds in whim are W, I, M. You spell whim W, H, I, M. I hope you're getting the hang of it.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 22, write the letter R. Above the number 19, write the letter K. Welcome aboard this sentence sail. As your captain, I will say a sentence. I want you to count the words in the sentence. Then I will transport the sentence onto the screen. We will repeat the sentence and count the words to make sure you're correct. All hands on deck, get ready.
Ahoy! Count the words in the sentence. Ready? What is the answer to the question? Say the sentence and count the words on your fingers or on the screen with me. Ready? What is the answer to the question? You should have counted 7 words. Count the words. Ready? The dog whimpers when he wants a treat. Let's check. Ready? The dog whimpers when he wants a treat. You should have counted 8 words. Count the words. Ready? Where's the glitter pen? Let's check. Ready? Where is the glitter pen? You should have counted 5 words. Count the words. Ready? I caught a whiff of garlic coming from the kitchen. Let's see how many. Ready? I caught a whiff of garlic coming from the kitchen. You should have counted 10 words. Great job, mates.
Today we are making a sentence. You want to be proud of your concoction, so go slow and create your masterpiece neatly. First, we add a capital letter. Then, we sound out our words, one at a time, being sure to put a space in between each word. And don't forget the final ingredient, the punctuation mark. When it is all done, try it, read it back, and make sure that it makes sense. I want you to check this sentence that I have made for you. I know there's a missing ingredient, but I just can't put my finger on it. Can you find the missing ingredient?
Press pause if you would like to read the sentence on your own. Long word alert, long word alert. When you see an unfamiliar word, there are a few things you can do. Number 1, find a word or word part that you know. Number 2, break the word into parts or syllables and sound it out. Number 3, try different sounds. For example, the vowels have a long sound and a short sound. In this word, I see a word I already know. I know that AI says the long A sound, A. And the first word I see is paint. Now I have to figure out the second part of the word. I will underline SH because I know that SH makes the sound sh. Let's sound it out. Ready? B, r, a, sh, as. Brushes. It is a compound word. Paint, brushes. Paintbrushes. I will read the sentence to you. Where are your new paintbrushes? Press pause if you need more time to find the mistake. Did you find it? There isn't a punctuation mark at the end. Do you know what kind of punctuation mark goes at the end of this sentence? If you said a question mark, you are correct. Where are your new paintbrushes is a question that is asking for an answer. Let's add that question mark now. Phew, much better.
Repeat after me. I promise to check to make sure my sentence makes sense. I promise to put a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I promise to put spaces in between my words. I promise to put a punctuation mark at the end. When you're done with your sentence, you may check the boxes to make sure you have fulfilled all of your promises for this mission. You may proceed and write your sentence.
When you're writing your sentence, don't forget to include at least one WH word that you have learned. Give yourself a check mark if your sentence makes sense, starts with a capital letter, has spaces in between your words, and ends with a punctuation mark.
If you are working in a group, take turns reading your sentences to each other. Give your friends a compliment about their sentence. A compliment is saying something that they did well, like, I love how you remembered the capital at the beginning of your sentence, or great use of that adjective, or your writing is beautiful, it's so nice and neat. If you're working by yourself, give yourself a compliment. We always want to show compassion and kindness by staying positive. Well, that's it for our mission. Great job, everybody. Signing off until next time.